I'm Teacher Melay, and today we are going to talk about problem solving in mathematics education. So this is the outline of all the topics that we're going to discuss in chapter number 1 for our subject, and letter B is the problem solving in mathematics education. So we are done actually with the first one, which is the definition and the process. So what is mathematics education? So it is referred to as the practice of teaching and learning of mathematics in a way of solving problems involving learning the algorithms, formulas necessary for computation. So we are actually familiar, or we are aware that when we talk about mathematics, we cannot separate the idea that we are learning or talking about algorithms, formulas, and computations. Mathematics education is a platform to learn and teach mathematics with better way. So aside from this definition, so we also have here another definition. It is the practice of teaching and learning mathematics along with associated scholarly research. So we have here a link that to learn more, so we can also discuss or study a collection of online games for learning mathematics and enhanced thought processes. So in connection with the given definition, so we have there that it is a platform to learn and teach math with better way. And that better way could be using online games also to learn mathematics. It is also the system that encompasses aspects of teaching, learning, and assessing mathematics. And again, we have here a link that to learn more, we can actually read something about critical thinking and mathematics teaching and learning. So one striking word here, or skills, is the critical thinking, because we are familiar that this is one of the twin objective of K-12 curriculum. It is to improve critical thinking and problem solving skills. Next, in the study is a field defined by multiplicity of practices, including number 1, the teaching and learning of mathematics at all levels in schools and colleges. Number 2, out-of-school learning of mathematics. Number 3, design, writing, and construction of text and learning material. Number 4, research in mathematics education. So here, again, as mentioned in our first slide, we are talking about teaching and learning mathematics and also in the better way. So aside from the usual setup that it is taught inside the school, we also have the out-of-school learning of mathematics. We also have, of course, some researches in mathematics education. So it does not mean that we are just inside the classroom, we learn the formulas, we learn some applications, and that's it. So it actually includes also practices that includes this 4 items mentioned. So we have here the authors behind these items. And again, a link connecting us that we can actually learn more in investigating the adult's learning experience when solving mathematical world problems. So another term or something to learn about this is that, again, we have the mathematical world problem. So when we talk about mathematics educations, aside from dealing with numbers, computations, algorithms, improving our critical thinking skills. We also have dealing with, of course, mathematical word problems. So this is a way for us, of course, to enhance our problem solving skills. And then next, it is the practice of teaching and learning of mathematics. So in research, reference is made to mathematics education, refer to more helpful mathematics curricula and ways to to teach and assess mathematics. So even before, efforts are made just to improve, of course, not only in the classroom setup, but of course the curriculum of mathematics education. So whatever, of course, is in the curriculum, the planned curriculum, so it is being implemented inside the classroom, and it is being assessed, and later on, we encounter some of the results now. So we can see the result, whether the students passed or failed in the subject, or even in international assessment or national assessment. It is teaching and learning mathematics, and of course you can again learn more by reading Evolution of a Course for Special Education, teaching on integrating technology in math and science. So as you can see here, aside again from using online games, there is also integration of technology into mathematics and science. So mathematics education adapted to become more utilitarian and less elitist, and more oriented to interpretation, reasoning, problem solving, and communication skills. So example is National Council of Teachers of Mathematics in 1989. That's why, as I have mentioned, we always say inside the classroom when we teach mathematics that you are learning mathematics, it is because of its use in the real world, that mathematics is being applied and in the real world setting. So now, if mathematics education is less elitist and it is more utilitarian, it means that you are being taught with the application of mathematics in the real world. And you will be, of course, be expected to learn the interpretations, the reasoning, the problem solving, and also the communication skills, which is in the framework of mathematics framework, or the K to 12 framework. So we will be discussing that in a separate video. So this definition is from International Encyclopedia of Education, 3rd edition in 2010. So for the references or reference material that I use in defining what is mathematics education, so it is actually from this website. So I have here the URL, and of course, as I have mentioned, it is from the International Encyclopedia of Education. So just to sum up, mathematics education is about teaching mathematics, assessing mathematics, and also coming up with ways on how to teach mathematics in a better way. So it can be with the integration of technology. It can be in the integration of activities like using of games, and also exploring mathematics not only inside the classroom, but also mathematics taught outside the classroom. And the focus is more of its applications in the real world. And of course, the main objective or the twin goals of mathematics education is for the improvement of critical thinking skills and problem solving skills. Thank you for watching.